Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to walk through how to autoplay a video on your Wix website. If you want your video to start playing automatically as soon as visitors load your page, whether it's an introduction, a product showcase, or a promotional clip, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up autoplay for any video on your Wix site, making your content more engaging and removing that extra click-to-play step for your viewers. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. If you're already signed into Wix, you'll see your current website projects right there. Click on the website you want to edit and launch the Wix editor. Remember, everything we're doing today happens right here in the editor, so make sure you've got it open before you follow along. Now, let's find the video you want to autoplay. I've got a sample video on the page, but you might be using a welcome message, a customer testimonial, or even a video background for a landing section. Take a look at your page and identify the specific video element you want to work with. If you don't see a video yet, just drag a video or video box from the Add panel onto your page. It's super straightforward. Once you've located your video, go ahead and click directly on it to select it. You'll notice that when you do, a few control buttons pop up around the video frame. What we're looking for here is the Settings option. It usually looks like a little gear icon. Sometimes small icons can blend in visually, so take your time and make sure you're clicking on the right one. If you're ever unsure, just hover your mouse over the icons until you see the label Settings appear. Clicking on the Settings icon opens a menu specific to this video element. Within these settings, you'll find different options that control how your video behaves on the page. Things like playback controls, start and end times, and display settings. What we want to zero in on now is the autoplay option. It may be labeled as autoplay, or sometimes it will just be a switch that says play automatically. Look for that. If you're having trouble finding it, try scrolling through the settings panel or look for sections related to playback. Alright, once you spot the autoplay option, make sure it's enabled. Usually this is just a simple toggle switch. If it's off, click it to turn it on. You might notice the switch changes color or an enabled message pops up. What this is doing is telling Wix to start playing your video the moment someone lands on your web page, so it grabs attention right away. A quick tip here, keep in mind that most browsers will mute videos that autoplay by default, especially on mobile devices. So if your message relies on audio, consider adding captions or on-screen text as a backup. After you've enabled autoplay, you can go ahead and close the settings window. Wix saves changes automatically, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. Just close out, and you'll see your video is now good to go. If you want to double-check how it looks, preview your site and reload the page to make sure the video really does start playing on its own. And that's it. You've just set up a video to autoplay on Wix, adding a dynamic touch to your website. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below if you ran into any trouble or have questions, and subscribe for more easy web design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.